are three ways to stack up the three stack. The first way, the way most right-handers stack, is leading with their right hand to up stack and leading with their right hand to down stack. And notice how your cups are going in a circle as you're stacking.
Like this. Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. Now, the second way, the way most left-handers stack, is leading with their left hand to up stack and leading with their left hand to down stack. And notice the same circle is occurring.
Okay.
Now, the third way, the way some people stack, is leading with one hand to up stack and reversing that, leading with the other hand to down stack.
Okay, so I have three options available to me.
Yes, you do. You just want to choose one of the three ways that works best for you.
So Jenny, do you have any tips for the folks that might be learning for the first time at home?
Of course. You want to hold the speed stack loose with a nice, light, soft touch. And you want to let the cups just slide down. You never want to slam them like this. Your cups don't go any faster and more fumbles occur that way. And you want to hold the cups on the side. You never want to hold them on the top.
I know, because if you hold them on the tops, then your hand's in the way.
That's right. And remember, nice, light, soft touch, hands on the sides, and slide, don't slam. Now we're ready for the 3-3 stack. But the first thing you want to do is decide which side we're going to start on. Now most right-handers will start on the left side and work from left to right.
So that means most lefties are going to start on the right and work from right to left, right? I mean, correct?
Correct. Now whichever side you decide to start on, you must always go back to that same side to begin your down stacking.
Okay.
And since we're right-handed, we're going to start on the left side and work from left to right.
Okay, that makes sense.
So let's up stack our first three, up stack our second three, go back to the beginning, down stack, down stack. Let's try it one more time.
Okay.
Up stack our first three,
Up stack.
up stack our second three.
Okay.
We're going to go back to the beginning, down stack, down stack.
All right, so the same tips kind of apply here too.
Right. You want to use both of your hands.
And a light, soft touch.
Keep your hands on the sides of the cups.
And then slide them, don't slam them. Okay, so can I do this?
No, you can't. The rule is you can only handle one stack at a time. And you must always go back to where you started to begin your down stacking.
Makes sense.
Now we're ready for our first competition stack, the 3-3-3.
Sounds a bit more challenging.
Not really, it's actually pretty easy. So let's up stack our first stack, up stack our middle stack, up stack our last stack. Now where do we go?
Back to the beginning.
Down stack, down stack, down stack. Let's do it again.
Okay.
Up stack, up stack, up stack. Where do we go?
Back to the beginning.
Down stack, down stack, down stack. Think you got it?
Yeah, I think so.
So how about we race then?
You're on. But since I am a beginner and all the folks at home are just learning, how about you go twice to our once?
Okay, sounds fair to me.
Okay.
Now, when we race, we place our hands on the two yellow touch pads of our stack mat. The stack mat is the official timing device for the sport stacking. Now, for you at home, if you don't have a stack mat, pretend you do and place your hands right here behind the center stack. Now, when I say go, stack as fast as you can, but when you're done, don't forget to place your hands right back here on the touch pads.
Okay.
Ready?
Wait. Okay.
Now are you ready?
Yeah.
Get set, go. Keep going, finish it off.
Darn it.
Hit the touch pads.
Okay.
Weren't very good there, were you?
Not so much. How'd you guys do? Hopefully a little better than me. Did you stack up? Well, if not, don't worry about it, because we'll give you another chance to race.
Ever wonder what it would be like to race against the fastest stackers in the world? Or try to set a world record? Then check this out. Even the best stackers make lots of mistakes. Check out these fumbles and bloopers, or as we like to call them, floopers.
Hi, I'm Emily Fox, and welcome to the exciting world of speed stacks and the sport of cup stacking. It promotes athleticism, quickness, and hand-eye coordination, but most of all, it's fun. So, grab your speed stacks and get ready to stack. You don't want to miss what's next. Sorry.
Hold on. Just a second. All right. Back up off the stack, all right?
See how your circles are going in your cups are going in a circle. Your circles are going in the cups.
So obviously, this stack is a little more complicated than the 3.
Some tips are that you want to keep the base.
It's like, why isn't she talking? Oh, I didn't ask her.
As long as it's a flat surface. And if you don't have a stack mat, and use your stack mat if you have one.
Just like a typical relay race, now we have some that involve partners and teams. What's the last line?